Hey guys, Casey Sanguins here at Guaranty RV. Sun's shining, beautiful day, the weather's changing, it's time to get out camping. Now if you've got a smaller rig and you want to go camping, this is the unit for you. This is the Rockwood A122TH ESP. Again, that's the A122 Toy Hauler Extreme Sports Package. Okay, the toy hauler is this up here, of course. You've got a nice rack up front. These side rails pull off and turn into ramps, so if you've got a four-wheeler, ATV, a couple motorcycles, or heck, the kids' bikes, throw them up there, strap them down, and you're ready to go. You do have on the front, you've got the power tongue jack up here and the dual propane tank, so it's going to keep you camping all weekend long, if not longer. You do have the toy lock, which is super slick. This is just a cable that wraps around, wrap it through whatever you've got to lock up, put it back through itself, and the padlock will keep your stuff secured. Now the cool thing about these is they fold down flat and they're easy to store, easy to pull, not a lot of wind resistance. So if you've got a smaller rig and you're worried about fuel mileage, this is going to be one of the best options. They're also extremely easy to set up. Okay, I've already unlatched the latch on the other side, but there's a latch just like this. You lift it up, you unlatch that, you lift that up, open up the handle, lift the door, open up the step. This opens up. Biggest thing is you want to make sure and close this door behind you. Okay, now you lift this one up, and there's two latches inside. Latch that one, and then you open up the other side. I know you can't see me right now. Let's open the door and welcome you home. Just like that, we're ready to go camping. Once you get inside, again, they're fairly roomy, nice, tall, and this is a hard-walled trailer. So it's going to stay a lot warmer and a lot in the colder nights and a lot cooler in the warm afternoons. You've got a nice dinette up here that obviously folds down into a bed. This is your dinette with a freestanding table there that lifts up. Comes your table. You do have a microwave under this little countertop. You've got a nice 3-burner stove with the glass top. Glass top's nice. This is a smaller unit, so every bit of counter space you can get is helpful. Okay, nice little sink, and then your main bed back here. Okay, this unit also does have an air conditioner in it. So again, if you're plugged into power on a warm summer day, you're going to stay nice and cool in here. You've got radio, you got plenty of storage back there. This comes with a barbecue that attaches on the outside. And then there's also a little, it's not set up here yet, but there's a little fabric cupboard that hangs here. So again, very slick. If you've got a smaller rig, you don't have a lot of tow capacity, this might be the answer. If you have any questions about this or anything else we have at Guaranty, give me a call. Again, my name is Casey Sanguins. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Look forward to hear from you.